Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Keep the videos on now. Keep it on. Keep it on. Yeah. Vishnu, keep it on, Vishnu. Okay. Yes. Please do that problem. Question number 13. Question number 13. Yes, Anish, Vishnu, Vinay, keep the video on and do the problem and send me the final answer, the total of debit and credit in the chat box. Okay? Question number 13. If any transaction you're confused with, please let me know.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Anish, which transaction are you doing now?
ma'am, 8th,
Tell me the date.
20, ma'am, December 20,
December
20,
20. Okay, okay. Yes, Pranav, what about you?
December 16.
Okay. Vinay?
December 13.
Okay. Do it and send the final answer in the chat box. Okay. Total of both the columns. Those who have completed, send me the total of debit and credit in the chat box. Yes, Alan Shibu, keep the video on. Pavitra, Vinay, what happened? Keep the video on and do the problem. Yes, completed, Vinay? Finish? Okay, do it.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anish, what happened? Were you trying to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which one?
Ma'am, December 16 and 20, ma'am.
Received check from Suman. Discount allowed. Okay. We had sold goods to Suman already on December 13th. Sold goods to Suman is how much? 20,000. So Suman should have paid 20,000. But we are giving him, the business is giving him discount. So received check from Suman. So what is the journal entry? Yes? Received check from Suman. Received check means it is a bank transaction. So what will be the journal entry? Bank account debtor. Bank account debtor. Received check from Suman 19,500. Now, discount allowed. Discount allowed is a loss for the business. Discount allowed is also given debit. How much? 500. To what? To? Yes, to
Suman.
Suman account. Suman is giving us Suman account. Suman is a debtor. Debtor, asset. Debtor is an asset. Asset decrease, we credit. Okay. Bank account debit. Discount allowed debit to Suman account. How much? 20,000. So the debit should always be equal to credit. Yes, Rahul, right answer. Okay, start preparing the ledger. Keep the video on and do the problem, please. I want everybody's answer, total. Yes, Alan, right answer. So those who have completed journal, start with ledger. Yes, anyone facing any problem with this problem? Vishnu, are you okay with all the transactions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Send me the final answer, okay, everyone, all of you. Yes, Pranav, right answer. Correct. Now, quickly post all these to ledger accounts. So, from the journal, transferring the transaction to the ledger, what is that process called? That is called posting. Posting. The transactions are given to you and you are writing them, preparing the journal. That process is called journalizing. Journalizing. It is important. These two terms, journalizing and posting. Posting is done to ledger. Journalizing is done in the journals. I want everybody's answer. All of you should answer, give the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we want to send you the total of debit and credit.
Sorry, once again.
We want to send you the total of debit and credit.
Yes, yes, yes. The total amount. Always the debit side should be equal to the credit side. Both should be the same amount. So don't simply write one side you calculate and don't copy it to the other side. Always calculate it and make sure that you got both the columns the same amount. Yes, Pavitra, right answer. Okay, now start preparing the ledger. Those who have completed with journal, go for ledger. So how to go for ledger? Go through the transactions, go through the journal entries you have written and see which one is repeating the most. Accordingly, draw the accounts. Give space. Right answer, Aparna. Yes, Anish. Correct answer. Who's left now? Vinay, you haven't sent me. And Vishnu also. I'm waiting for your answers. All the accounts in the journal should have a ledger account. So read your journal and provide columns for everything. And the spacing should be arranged according to the repetition. No, Vishnu. The total is wrong. What happened? Calculation mistake. Huge difference.
Ma'am, let me check one more.
Okay, okay. Please check. Please check. Yes, Vinay. Vinay left. Vinay is not there. Vinay is not there. Aparna is not there. Yes. Let us read the journal entries and help Vishnu. Vishnu, please check your answer. Pavitra, can you read the journal entries? Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, louder, huh? Louder. Yes, please. Journal entries.
Cash account debtor to capital account.
Amount also. Read it this way, okay? I'll tell you. Cash account debtor 1 lakh to capital account 1 lakh. Like that you should read. Okay? Yes, Vishnu, please check your answers. Yes, next one, Pavitra.
Bank account debtor
Amount?
30,000
Hmm.
to cash account.
Cash account 30,000. Okay, thank you. Pranav, continue.
Purchase account debit 20,000 to Ashu account credit 20,000.
No, to Ashu account. That is enough. That means it is credit. Okay, to Ashu account. Yes, Vishnu, I hope you are correcting yourself.
Cash account debtor 15,000 to sales 15,000.
Next one.
Purchase account debit 40,000 to cash account 40,000.
Okay, thank you. Vishnu, is it okay till now? Vishnu? Yes, Anish, continue. December 10th. That is over. From December 13, please read.
December 30.
Louder.
Suman account debtor to sales.
Amount?
Amount at 20,000.
20,000. Suman account debtor 20,000 to sales account 20,000. Okay.
Then bank account debtor 19,500. Discount allowed debtor 500 to Suman.
To Suman account 20,000. Then?
Bank account.
Yes, Vinay, right answer.
Bank account debtor.
Oh, please adjust your mic, please. I cannot hear you. Okay. Vishnu, wait, Anish. Vishnu, are you there? Left. Okay. Alan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read from December 20th.
Ashu account debtor 10,000 to bank account 10,000.
Okay.
Rent account debtor 2,000 to bank account 2,000. Bank account debtor 16,000 to cash account 16,000.
Hmm.
Machinery account debtor
Hmm.
10,000. Parigya to
Hmm.
Parigya 10,000.
Okay. Wait, bus. Yes, Rahul, please continue the next.
Now, which one?
From December 26.
Trade account debtor
Trade
2000
expense
to
account.
trade expense account debtor to 2000. To cash account 2000.
Next, Parikya.
Parigya account debtor 10,000 to bank account 10,000. Then bank account debtor 1,200 to cash account 1,200.
Hmm.
Then salary account debtor 4,500 to cash
Louder,
account
louder.
4,500.
Salary account debtor. Okay, thank you.
4,000.
Salary account debtor 4,500 to cash or bank account, whichever you have written. Cash account 4,500. No, dear. No, Vishnu. No. The answer is 3,700,000. 3,700,000. Those doing the ledger continue, and I'll write the amounts only for Vishnu. Only the amounts, okay? Vishnu, check where you went wrong. Might be your calculation mistake. Check the answer. I hope you are checking it. Yes, Vishnu, are you checking the answers?
Yes, ma'am, I'm checking.
Yes. Please check the answer and correct your answer. Yes. This is the amounts. These are the amounts. Okay. Now, let us see the cash account. Have you all prepared the cash account? Yes or no? Cash account. Debit, credit. So the first one, cash account debtor to capital. How to write it in the cash account? Yes, Aparna. What should come where?
On the debit side, capital.
Very good, very good. Okay, capital. Capital and the amount is 1 lakh. Okay. Now the next one, which is the next transaction to come in the cash account?
Ma'am,
Yes,
bank.
Anish. Now, who's that? Alan?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, bank in the credit side.
Yeah, bank in the credit side. Bank account. Because the cash account is credited. How much is the amount? 30,000. Very good. Okay. Now, which is the next one? Tell me the date as well as the transaction. Yes, Anish, tell me the next one. What should come next?
December 10.
December?
10.
How about 6?
Yes, ma'am. December 6.
6. It is for cash. Sold goods to Rahul for cash. Okay.
Ma'am, sales will come on the debit side.
Sales is where?
Debit side, debit
The
side.
debit side. Okay, correct. Sales. 15,000. Where is Pavitra? Pavitra, tell me the next one. Next cash. Next entry to be posted to cash account. Which is that, Pavitra? Hello, hello, Pavitra. Where are you? Yes, Pranav, tell me fast.
December 10.
December 10th. What should be done?
On the credit side, by purchase.
Very good. Okay. Purchase. Purchase account, how much? 40,000. The next entry. Next one. Rahul. What should come next?
December 26.
December 20?
6.
How about December 23rd?
23rd.
23rd. Okay. How much?
Credit side by bank. 16,000.
Credit side. What should I write?
By bank.
Bank. By bank. Amount is how much? 16,000. And then, yes, Anish, tell me the next one quickly, please.
Ma'am, December 26.
December 26. What is that?
By trade expense.
Trade expenses.
Yes. On the
Which side?
Credit side.
Credit side. Okay. Telephone expenses. And not telephone. Trade expenses. Okay. Trade expenses. Trade expenses is 2,000. Then the last one, Alan, Shibu,
Ma'am, salary.
salary. Where?
Credit side, ma'am.
Credit side. Okay, thank you. Okay, that is 4,500. Correct, everybody? Is it the same? Anything I have left out? Is everything is there in the cash account?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we'll discuss the balancing in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Join on time. In the next session, we'll learn about balancing or revised balancing. Okay. Thank you.